Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach. We've got this beautiful view from this third balcony, this stunning, remarkable home on the West End. Let's check it out.
We are on the second floor of this gorgeous home over in Laguna Beach. What I love about as you walk in, you are flooded with natural light, that beautiful Florida sunshine coming right at you. You've got hardwood flooring, don't have to worry about carpet, getting the sand in it. You've got multiple balconies to choose from on both sides. And this open concept feels really nice. You've got extra, like a little breakfast nook counter space coming off the kitchen area. Beautiful modern updates, plenty of cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, all with this great coastal neutral color palette, so anything would go decor-wise. And as you walk into the living space, again, you're gonna feel the very expansive ceiling height, lots of windows letting all that natural light come in, and you get to overlook the balcony and see the gorgeous Gulf of Mexico. Probably not gonna wanna leave the second floor, but just in case, let's go check out the rest of the house.
Welcome to this beautiful main ensuite. Absolutely so much space, but here's something special about this one, it's the whole third floor. You have a 180-degree balcony. You can enjoy those beautiful views. You've got all of this space for anything that you want, and we gotta check out this ensuite. Beautiful custom cabinetry, come on. So look at this beautiful custom cabinetry right here. You don't see this much detail many times anymore. Your dual sinks, and I love that there are some transom windows in here, allowing for more of that light to come in with these large ceilings. Yeah, check out that shower. Isn't it beautiful? So here we are in one of the 3 bedrooms. You've got 3 full en-suites here in this beautiful place. Now, master bedrooms on the tippy top, 3rd level with balcony views. This one is on the main level, which is the 2nd floor, and you've got your kitchen and your living room space here as well. But the bottom floor not only boasts your garage, you've got extra parking space with a very long driveway. So you've got that available to you. And there's another bedroom with ensuite, and it's massive, as well as another room that you could use as a study, a workout room, your art room, whatever your heart desires. Can you believe this beautiful home just 1 block off this water?
Such a good location, and no HOA.
And no HOA, exactly. For more information, look in the description below. At the listing link, it's there. You can get all the details of sizes and pictures and anything you want.
Awesome, and make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.